how to find Roblox user ID on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and copy a Roblox user ID on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it doesn't seem like there's any way to copy a Roblox user ID within the Roblox mobile app. So what I recommend to do this is to simply open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Now, if you click a link, it might try to open up the Roblox mobile app. So simply type roblox.com, and then when you see this screen, select continue in browser at the bottom. You may have to log into your account, so go ahead and do that. And then once you're on the main page of Roblox, go ahead and select your profile icon on the top of Roblox. Once we get to a profile, to find our user ID, it's actually going to be in the web address here. So select the address bar on your phone, and then you can either select and copy the address and then paste it somewhere else to get this. But see how it says roblox.com/users? We just want to move the cursor to just after users, and that number right there is your user ID. So you can select it and then go to select, and then you can copy it and paste it anywhere you need to, such as a game or Roblox Studio, something like that. Check the description. I'll have some examples down there so you can see exactly what the full address looks like and where the user ID is. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.